Remitly money transfer Remitly. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can actually transfer money on Remitly, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to transfer money on Remitly, all we have to do is first of all open the Remitly application and make sure that you're signed into your account. As and when you do that, after you log in, right at the bottom you'll find this little button that says send. So you have to tap the little send option there, and when you tap on the send option over there, you should be able to see this type of interface where all you have to do is just simply make sure to select your delivery method from which. So first of all, you have to select how much dollars or currency that you're trying to send, how much they're going to receive, and you can change the country to which your country you're trying to send. You can select a delivery method, which could be mobile money, bank deposit, debit card deposit, or whatever else it is. Then tap on next option, then select your payment method such as a debit card, credit card, or bank account. And after you do that, you can just tap on the continue option, make sure to fill in your details as to what kind of payment method you're trying to do, and then tap on continue, and you'll be able to transfer money. This way you can go ahead and then basically transfer money on Remitly. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.